Good morning everyone. Welcome back ma. See, in the last class we have completed the exercise 11.3. Okay, now we'll start the exercise 11.4. Before your exercise, you are having the example problems. Please once go through that example problems and write down in your class work also. Okay. Now start the exercise 11.4. I will tell you how to do the problems, one or two problems. Remaining problems you have to do. Clear? See the first problem. What is the question? Select a suitable identity and find the following products. Okay. First of all, we are having a sum of the identities. What are the identities? Before your exercise, write down here identities. Okay. What is the first one? A square. Sorry. A plus B whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Next, what is the next one? A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Next one, a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Okay? And next one, one more thing, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the four identities you have to remember. These are very important also. Based on these identities only you are having the exercise 11.4. Okay. Now start exercise 11.4. What is the first one? Select a suitable identity and find the following products. Okay, if you see the one question, 3k plus 4l, 3k plus 4l. Okay, what is this? 3k plus 4l and 3k plus 4l. You have to solve this one. How can you solve? Tell me. If you write this in the form of here a plus b and here also a plus b. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. What is a here? For suppose 3k plus 4l whole square. Okay. What is a here? A equal to 3k and b equal to 4l. Now substitute these values in the given identity. Okay. 3k plus 4l whole square is equal to 3k whole square plus 2 into 3k plus into 4l plus what is b? 4l whole square. Okay. By this 3 3s are 9 k square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24kl. Okay. Next 4 4s are 16, 16l square. Clear? Okay. Like this you have to do all the problems. This is your answer, final answer. Okay. See the second one. Here also same. What is this? Ax square plus by square, ax square plus by square. You have to write down ax square plus by square whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, substitute that formula. Next here also 70 minus 9e whole square. It is nothing but a minus b whole square. Okay, and here a square minus b square into a square plus b square. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, the answer is here m power 4 minus n power 4 you will get. Okay, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here also a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, 6x plus 5 whole square. Here it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Okay, this one, this identity. And okay, substitute in this formula, you will get the seventh one. And what is eighth one? 2b minus a into 2b plus a. Okay, it is also as x plus a into x plus b. Substitute in that formula, you will get the answer. Okay, next. See this one, second bit. Evaluate the following by using suitable identities. Okay. means by using suitable identities you have to substitute the suitable identity and solve the answers. Okay, how can we do that one? We will see the first question. What is that first question? 304 square. Okay, this can be written as 304 square can be written as 300 plus 4 whole square. Okay, now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Okay, a equal to 300 and b equal to 4. Substitute 300 square plus 2 into 300 into 4 plus 4 square equal to 300 plus 4 whole square. Clear? It is a 9 plus 2 3 is a 6, 6 4 is a 2400 plus 16 equal to, add this one, you will get the answer. Okay, what is the answer? 92,416 is your answer. Yeah, like this do first problem same, second problems, third problem and fourth problem. Okay, and see here fifth problem. What is the answer? What is the question? 304 into 296. Okay, this is your question. How can you return this one? Right, we will write this as 300 plus 4 into, okay, this can be written as 300 minus 4. Yes or no? Now it can be in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Is it okay? What is the answer? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, what is x here? 300, a is 4 and b is minus 4. Okay, right, substitute in that formula. What is x? 300 square plus, what is a? 4, b is minus 4 into x is 300 plus, what is a? 4 and what is b? Minus 4. Okay, here it is 90,000. 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 0. 4 4 is 16. Minus 4 is there. Plus into minus is minus. Okay, answer is 90,016 is your answer. Okay, this is how you have to do the fifth problem as well as sixth problem, seventh problem and eighth one also. Okay, sixth one. See, sixth question, 83 is there. How can you write that 83? Tell me. 80 plus 3 and 77 is 80 minus 3. Okay, next 109 into 108. How can you write that one? One at 9 is 100 plus 9. 108 is 100 plus 8. Okay, 204 into 206. 200 plus 4 and 200 minus 4. 210 minus 4. Okay, just substitute all the values in that given formulas, you will get the answers. Clear? This is about your exercise 11.4 and see exercise 11.5. Here you are having the example problems. Write down that example problems in your classwork. Okay, and exercise 11.5 is, see here, verify the identity a plus b whole square. This is your problem, means statement. Whatever the values are given, substitute these values in the given formula. Okay, that's it. ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఏబీ వాల్యూస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ వాల్యూస్ ఈ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అలానే చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి రాయండి. క్లియర్? అండ్ ది సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఆల్సో, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ గివెన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. సేమ్ సెకండ్ బిట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ బిట్ ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ యర్ చాప్టర్ 11. okay, finish it off. After that, after finishing of your problems, just send your photos in your WhatsApp so that I'll check your answers by the end of evening. Okay, if you're having any doubt, call me, I will tell you. We'll meet in next class. Thank you, bye.